There's the babies. There's Lily and Ruby. Hi, Ruby. And there's Vanessa. Happy Thanksgiving. Here's Aunt Caroline. Here's Yaya. And a quick pan over to Barron and Uncle Brian and Uncle Gordon and John and Sean and Sophia. Oh, I love that. Let's get close up on that one. Okay, yeah. Foxy.
And then it just traces.
Baby wants a ball.
And here's the babies again. None of them are looking this way. Hi, Lily. Hi, Ruby. Here she comes with her very own Christmas ornament. Bye-bye. And here's me. Bye.